Welcome to the peaceful world of the hillside. Now it's time for the little animals in the mountains to go to bed. Would you like to help? Let's go see who's still awake. Hello, Reeves Muntjac. This shy deer often moves quietly through the forest at dawn and dusk. Today, it ate lots of tender leaves and fruits, and now it's ready to rest. Can you say good night to the Muntjac? Good night, Muntjac. Hello, wild boar. Wild boars have very sensitive noses, perfect for digging up fruits and roots hidden under the leaves. It spent all day foraging and now has a full belly. Can you help it find a quiet corner and say good night? Good night, wild boar. Hello, flying squirrel. Flying squirrels can't really fly. They glide from tree to tree using the skin flaps on their sides. It had so much fun gliding around today and is now feeling sleepy. Can you gently say good night to the flying squirrel? Good night, flying squirrel. Hello, Formosan macaque. This clever and lively primate uses stones to crack nuts and helps groom its friends. It played with its companions all day, and now its eyelids are getting heavy. Can you say good night to the macaque? Good night, macaque. Hello, yellow-throated marten. Quick and agile, it leaps and darts through the mountain forest like a born hunter. Its bright yellow throat looks like a fancy scarf. Today, it chased insects and jumped over rocks, and now it's time to return to its den. Can you quietly say good night to the yellow-throated marten? Good night, yellow-throated marten. Hello, pangolin. Pangolins eat ants and termites using their long, sticky tongues, and their tough scales protect them. They are endangered animals, and we need to protect them. Can you help it find a safe burrow and say good night? Good night, pangolin. Hello, masked palm civet. This nocturnal animal loves to eat fruits in the forest and help spread seeds. It ate lots of ripe fruits today and is now ready to sleep. Can you say good night to the civet? Good night, masked palm civet. Hello, clouded leopard. This rare and mysterious big cat of Taiwan silently walks along tree trunks and leaps across valleys. Even though we don't see it much anymore, we hope it returns to the forest one day. Can you softly wish the clouded leopard a peaceful good night? Good night, clouded leopard. Thank you. Now every little animal in the hillside is sound asleep. You can close your eyes too and dream of the lovely animals you met today and the lives they live. Good night, little one. Good night, hillside.